So let's do some retouching. Let's begin by opening the file called Clone Spot Healing. Let's make a copy of the background. Go to Layer and Duplicate Layer. There we go. And we'll go to the Spot Healing brush, which is a band-aid with an oval, a dotted oval behind it. We're going to use a 35 brush, and you can change that if you don't have it up in your option bar here. The mode is going to be normal, and we're just going to make it content aware. And what that means is it looks at what is around it and tries to replicate it. So what we're going to do here is try and remove the quake made from this boat. And we do that by going over it, holding down our mouse, and just dragging over this whole quake like this. Wait till you see how great it looks. Wow, look at that. And we'll just get rid of the boat too. So there we have it. We're finished with the quake. Now the next thing we're going to do is the clone tool. And the clone tool is a clone stamp tool is a rubber stamp. It looks like a rubber stamp. And this is awfully big, so we're going to make it much smaller. So we'll go up here to the option bar and make a smaller brush. That looks about right, about 33. Can be 35. Now, the thing, and we'll make it hard here, 100%. And here, up here, it's normal. The opacity is 100%. The flow is 100%. And we're going to work on the current layer. Now, what we want to do is take a sample. And we take a sample by holding down the Alt key, Option key if you're using a Mac. And do you see how our circle turns into like a sight from a magnifying glass or a telescope? So we click, and what that does is it samples that area. Then we hold down our Shift key so we can do perfectly straight lines, and we just go back and forth like this. And you see it is sampling the area that is just above it. And we're finished. Look how good that looks. Now, let's come here to the Layers palette, and let's click on Crew. And there we have it. Let's go to the Type tool and click. And of course, that's way too large. So let's go up to the option bar and change to 18 point and put your name on it. The color isn't important. And then hit the Commit button up here, the little check, or the Enter key on your keyboard, and save it. Go to File and Save As. Put in your name before Clone Spot Healing. Save it and drop it in the Dropbox, and you will get 1 point for it. I'm going to close this without saving. And we'll go on to the next video.